Hey fellow gardeners, welcome to Eco-Grow Garden Tips. Have you ever dreamed of stepping into your backyard and harvesting a basket overflowing with fresh, vibrant veggies? Imagine the taste of sun-ripened tomatoes, the crisp crunch of homegrown lettuce, and the satisfaction of knowing you grew it all yourself. That's the magic of a self-sufficient garden. A little slice of Eden right outside your door. Not only does it provide delicious, healthy food, but it also reconnects you with nature, reduces your environmental footprint, and can even save you money in the long run. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds amazing, Alex, but I don't have a green thumb. Trust me, you don't need to be a gardening guru to create your own backyard bounty. With a little planning, some elbow grease, and a whole lot of passion, anyone can transform their backyard into a thriving, self-sustaining paradise. In this short tutorial, we'll explore the joys and rewards of epic gardening. We'll dive into the world of quick-growing vegetables, discover easy DIY projects to enhance your garden, and uncover sustainable practices that benefit both your garden and the planet. So, grab your gardening gloves, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, there's always something new to learn and enjoy in the garden. Let's get started. One of the most rewarding aspects of gardening is harvesting your own food. But let's be honest, some of us are a little impatient, right? We want to see results, and fast. The good news is that plenty of vegetables thrive in a short growing season, giving you that instant gratification we all crave. Let's start with leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and arugula. These nutritional powerhouses can be ready to harvest in as little as 30 days. Imagine tossing a fresh salad with ingredients picked straight from your backyard. Next up, radishes. These crunchy, colorful root vegetables add a delightful zest to salads and sandwiches and are ready to harvest in about a month. And don't forget about summer squash. Zucchini and yellow squash are prolific producers, rewarding you with an abundance of tender, delicious vegetables in just a few weeks. Remember, the key to success with quick-growing vegetables is to provide them with the right conditions. Plenty of sunlight, fertile soil, and consistent watering. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try different varieties, companion planting techniques, and even succession planting to ensure a continuous harvest throughout the growing season. Creating a self-sufficient garden isn't just about planting seeds. It's also about creating a space that's both functional and beautiful, a sanctuary where you can relax and enjoy nature. And the best part is, you don't need to spend a fortune or be a master craftsman to add some personal touches to your backyard oasis. Simple, budget-friendly decor can make a huge difference. One of my favorite DIY projects is building raised garden beds. They are perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. They're relatively easy to construct using readily available materials like cedar planks or cinder blocks, which are both durable and affordable. Raised beds offer numerous benefits, including improved drainage, easier weed control, and less strain on your back. Plus, they can be customized to fit any garden size or shape. Another fun and functional project is creating a DIY trellis. It's a great way to add vertical interest to your garden. You can use bamboo poles, recycled wood pallets, or even old ladders to provide vertical support for climbing plants. These materials are not only cost-effective, but also environmentally friendly. They work perfectly for plants like cucumbers, beans, and tomatoes. This not only maximizes your garden space, but also adds a touch of rustic charm, making your garden look unique and inviting. And for the eco-conscious gardener, why not build your own compost bin? It's a rewarding project that benefits both your garden and the environment. Composting is a fantastic way to recycle kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich black gold for your garden. It's a sustainable practice that reduces waste. You can easily create a compost bin using old pallets, wire mesh, or even a simple plastic tote. These materials are easy to find and assemble. A well-made compost bin can last for years and provide you with a continuous supply of compost. These DIY projects not only enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your garden, but also add a sense of accomplishment and pride to your epic gardening journey. As gardeners, we have a unique opportunity to connect with nature and practice sustainability, ensuring a healthy planet for generations to come. By adopting eco-friendly methods, we can make a significant difference. Sustainable gardening is all about working in harmony with the environment, minimizing waste and conserving resources. It involves thoughtful planning and mindful actions. One of the easiest ways to embrace sustainability is by composting. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your garden's health. As we discussed earlier, composting transforms kitchen scraps and yard waste into a nutrient-rich soil amendment, reducing landfill waste and providing your plants with essential nutrients. It's a natural way to recycle organic matter. Another crucial aspect of sustainable gardening is water conservation. Efficient water use is vital for maintaining a healthy garden. Installing a rain barrel is a simple yet effective way to collect rainwater from your roof, providing a free and sustainable source of water for your garden. This practice helps reduce your reliance on municipal water supplies. Mulching is another excellent practice that helps retain soil moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. It creates a protective layer over the soil. You can use organic mulches like wood chips, straw, or shredded leaves, which decompose over time, adding valuable, organic matter to your soil. This not only enriches the soil, but also improves its structure. By implementing these sustainable practices, you're not only minimizing your environmental impact, but also creating a healthier and more resilient garden. Your efforts contribute to a more sustainable future. Remember, every little step counts when it comes to protecting our planet, and your garden can be a shining example of sustainable living. Together, we can make a difference, one garden at a time. All right, folks. So, let's dive into making your very first salad straight from your garden. It's an incredible feeling to harvest your own veggies and, honestly, it tastes so much better. So, first things first, you'll need some fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and maybe a few herbs like basil or parsley. Just, go out there and pick what looks good. Once you've got your ingredients, give them a good rinse to get rid of any dirt or little critters. Then simply chop them up into bite-sized pieces. It's really as easy as that. You can add a bit of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. And there you have it, your very own garden fresh salad. Enjoy! Hey there! Pests can be a real headache, but don't worry. There are plenty of natural ways to keep them at bay. For instance, planting marigolds around your garden can help repel certain insects. Also, remember to keep an eye out for any signs of disease and treat them early. Gardening isn't just about growing vegetables. It's about creating a space that brings joy and relaxation. Think about adding some flowers, herbs, or even a small water feature. These elements can transform your garden into a personal oasis where you can unwind and enjoy the beauty of nature. There's something incredibly rewarding about sharing your homegrown produce with friends and family. It's like giving a little piece of your hard work and love. Plus, it's a great way to introduce others to the joys of gardening. Trust me, they'll appreciate the fresh, delicious flavors that just can't be found in store-bought produce. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a journey that cultivates joy, patience, and a deeper connection with nature. Each seed you plant is a promise of growth and renewal. So, take your time, enjoy the process, and watch as your garden flourishes, bringing happiness and fulfillment to your life, one seed at a time.